Hello and welcome to an episode of Space Update. Coming up on today's show, Osiris Rex picks up another asteroid mission, trouble for SpaceX's Dragon module, plus more space news. Let's get started. So launch updates this week. First up, we have Astra's Rocket 3 launching Tropics 1 and 2 on the 12th of June. Then on the 13th of June, we have Rocket Lab's mighty Electron rocket launching the Capstone mission. So straight into this week's space news, SpaceX's Cargo Dragon mission to the International Space Station has been postponed to investigate a potential propellant leak in the spacecraft's thrusters. In a statement, NASA said the launch of the CRS-25 mission had been scheduled for the 10th of June will be postponed after detecting elevated vapor readings of methyl hydrazine in a portion of the spacecraft's Draco thruster system. The cause of the elevated reading is currently under investigation. SpaceX's Dragon uses Draco thrusters for orbital maneuvers, including approaching and departing the International Space Station, and to deorbit at the end of the mission. The thrusters use MMH and nitrogen peroxide propellants as storable hypergolic combustion. The cargo version of the Dragon lacks the more powerful Super Draco thrusters SpaceX developed for the abort system on the Crew Dragon spacecraft. So the leak, although not ideal for SpaceX, I'm pretty sure they'll get it fixed super soon. Now, NASA has selected Exime Space and Collins Aerospace for Spacesuit contracts. NASA awarded contracts to the two companies to provide spacesuits for the International Space Station spacewalks and Artemis moonwalks. Although neither the agency nor the winning companies offered many technical financial details, the companies will own the suits they develop and will effectively rent them to NASA for the space station and Artemis missions, while also being able to offer the suits to other customers. Total value of the contract is estimated at $3.5 billion through to 2034, a figure that assumes all task orders are exercised. NASA officials have declined to break out the total between the two companies, stating that the information will instead be a source selection statement for the procurement, which is expected to be released publicly in late June. In many other commercial procurements, NASA has released the value of individual awards to companies, but not this time around. Now, something our co-host Miko has previously covered here on Total Space, Osiris Rex. NASA has decided to send Osiris Rex on an extended mission to encounter the asteroid Osiris after dropping off Bennu samples to Earth. Citing a lack of technical capabilities, South Korea has dropped the plan of developing a robotic spacecraft to study the asteroid during its 2029 close encounter with Earth. The Science Ministry, which manages the state-funded space programs, recently ruled the mission unfeasible and decided not to request the $307 million budget initially sought for the mission. The mission involved the launching a robotic spacecraft between July 2026 and January 2027 to accompany Osiris as it whips by Earth in 2029. Meanwhile, NASA decided in April 2022 to extend Osiris Rex's mission and have it visit Osiris after swinging past Earth in September 2023, where it'll eject the canisters of samples collected from the asteroid Bennu. During its extended mission, Osiris Rex will encounter Osiris in 2029, shortly after the asteroid passes Earth at around 32,000 kilometers. The spacecraft will spend 18 months in the vicinity of Osiris and study the 350-meter asteroid. In other news, NASA SLS is now in position for a second round of testing and wet dress rehearsal before a launch in the coming months ahead. Also, another mighty moon rocket down at Boca Chica, we saw SN24 run through a number of pressure tests and cryo-proof testing ahead of potential static fire in the coming week. Now, I want you people to go like this video, hit that subscribe button. Feel free to check out our chat with Rocket Lab on the upcoming Capstone mission, plus our chat with Kid Petite and his journey from pilot to astronaut with SpaceX. Thank you for watching. I'm Ryan at Space Update. Catch you next week.